Yo, how's it going?
Dzień dobry, hi. We just back again. And today is on the weekend, and then we've got day off. Tak, kohanya, Damian and I also got day off officially. Okay, so today I think that in Poznan there are so many events, and now we are in the Targi Poznan. So Damian is not working, working in Targi, but today we will show you around. This one is the Asian specialties, right?
Tak. By the way, I'm not working in Targi anymore. I'm continue my own business. This is how I started actually. But we are in Targi because there's the food Targi today, and we just want to have a look what's going on so far.
So yeah, I also need to wait for my friends. So let's see what we're gonna buy today here. So busy. So you have to buy the ticket online, and later on you scan the ticket and you will get the bracelet like this. And here is the look. So many shop basically. I don't know what we're gonna buy, but I will wait for my friends because we've got appointment to, sightseeing together. Oh, look at this. Ooh. There's so many things here. So many food actually. Okay, let's go there. This one is from India or Nepal. Kohanya.
I like the outfit of
Smells so good.
Well, it's part of Asia, no?
Stop.
This is a favorite of my daughter. This
Dumpling.
is dumpling with crevet.
It really feels like the Asian market, actually the Asian food, eating here and sitting here. You see there is a Thai street food. Let me see. Hello. Korean. Interesting. Oh, look at this. The queue is so long. Sushi. Okay. Let's see.
I feel like
Huh? Dim sum. Hah?
you should come here with your pisang goreng, sayang.
Ya,
There is
pisang
no
goreng.
Indonesian.
Tak.
Big one.
Tak, pisang goreng. Nice. Oh, they have a pho as well. Huh? Look at this. Oh, that's the Japanese drink. Interesting. They're making matcha. Oh, honey. Another Japanese food. Mochi.
What is this one?
Mochi. Oh, dorayaki, no? Yes. Oh. The drinks. Oh, nice.
It's really expensive.
So many Japanese, yes. So many Japanese snacks. And here is the cake. Japanese one. Sushi. Interesting. Oh, look at this. Your Japanese shirt here, probably. Oh, this Hollander's waffle. Ah, that's Japanese kimono and so cute. And samurai. Oh, nice. Another ceramic. Honey. That's the cat one, is so cute.
Oh, you like apples?
Do you plant the świeże polone z kawą?
Oh, look at it, the chocolate fruit. Nice. Christmas chocolate, so many. Ah, nice. I don't know what it is. I think Belgian chocolate. Okay. Oh, I think all of this is the alcohol. That's the sake drink.
Oh.
And this one is the olive. Right. that was actually the market, kind of the, what is it called?
Oh, it was so.
So, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
nothing that special, but the initiative was nice.
Initiative was nice. At least we saw some authentic food there with the authentic chef. Right, Kohanye? And yeah, I think that's all our video today. It's a little bit short. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.